I don't need you. I don't need you. Yeah. I need a new apartment, my own safe haven, and not the dump you live in. I don't need you, cause I got high ambitions, a boss bitch vision. I'm granting all my wishes.
Howdy, hiya.
Oh.
Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Being weird at Wrapsesh. This week we are revealing a custom car that we did back for Fuelfest in 2021. It is the Starscream SRT.
Yeah.
So this is a custom design from Wrapsesh Tik Designs that we did with a very, very good client of ours. We've done like 5 cars for him now. Tim from
Mr. Timmy.
AZ Outlaws has a whole lot of Mopars.
Mopars.
Always doing Mopars, and then he sells them, and then we do the new Mopars.
And we do lots of Mopars.
That's what happens. So anyways, Wrapsesh Tik Designs created that design, and of course we did our go-to in Avery metallic silver print on our Muto 1682 SR eco-solvent printer. Satin finish, cause duh.
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice.
It's our go-to. It's our favorite thing,
Yeah.
with reflective overlays.
Well, it's like it's supposed to look like metal and stuff, and metal's not usually gloss. So.
No, it needs to be metallic satin. So really cool design, inspired by Transformers, Decepticon, Starscream, of course. Yeah, check it out. We hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
thank you guys so much for watching our episode this week. We hope you enjoyed our Starscream SRT.
Starscream. Sorry.
We're gonna be having the car coming back because we're actually gonna do a whole full frontal satin clear bra on top of the wraps. We
Full
can wrap
frontal.
it twice for fun.
I think he wants to do the whole car.
We're also gonna be adding a underhood design. So I'm really, really excited to do that. You guys know we love doing the overwrap fantastic stuff. So that should be pretty cool.
Yeah, underhoods are fun.
We love you to the moon. Wait, to the moon. And that, and oh, P.S.
P.S.
Instagram still hates us and they won't even respond to our request forms to get our Wrapsesh shop page reinstated. So we finally caved and built
Made
a
a new one.
So if you guys can go follow that one instead, it's Wrapsesh
.az. Yeah, threw a dot in there.
You'll find it. Give us a like, support the vibe, and okay, bye.
Later.
Bye. Leave.
Bye. Okay,
Okay,
bye.
go.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.